Once the vast endless blue of the ocean sways. The horizon glitters brightly as the silence hides all tales. And here he is, the curious one, the traveler. He is the albatross. She's fast, she's nimble, and she hums. The hummingbird hums. A joyful harmony for all her fellow mammals and avians. From tune to tune, she hums. One day, the wind drifts differently. The albatross, flying peacefully, was carried away by the curious wind. As in a sudden, spread out before his eyes was a land he had never seen, he had never been. What would the wind lead him to discover? Today, the sky seems to be a little different as the hummingbird gazes upon its vastness. She wishes to know what it's like to deeply dive into the deep blue sky, yet her small wings might just be too shy to even try. The albatross sweeps down onto a branch to hear minds and new stories. His wing hails massively as he lowered down. The blue accidentally startled the hummingbird from her routines. She wonders what has come to be. Seeing what she never met, what she never seen, she hums lightly. Who might that be? A small melodic voice greets the albatross. Who are you, white one? The albatross spreads his wings and puffs his chest. It is I, the albatross, king of the seas. Perplexed, the hummingbird only hummed a short hum. Then she hummed away. The albatross tilted his head. Has he left an unfit impression? Then, without his command, something slowly creeped within, an unknown feeling deep within him. Then days pass. The moon and sun each took turns. Two creatures, flies and drifts, trailing a path of their own. Yet, strange longing trails along their hearts. The wind carries the albatross across his odyssey. Yet, the strange longing follows still. Once he see a gleaming bright light from down under. He then swooped low and seen that it is a treasure found. It is the treasure of the sea, he said. Warmth creeped within him. The strangeness now is replaced with a soft smile. He then triumphantly declared, "Yes, yes, this is how it shall be." And off he went. It's another ordinary warm morning. The hummingbird hums with a cheerful hum, when suddenly a dark shade comes and heavy wind blows. The hummingbird stopped her hum and looked up into the sky. And what she found made her hum everly happily. It is he, the big white fellow. He came back. Yes, the albatross excitedly glides in the sky. He flipped, swirled, he swooped and looped. With all his heart he fluttered his wings. The hummingbird hums with each glide of the white creature. His spirit moves her, amazement fills her eye. Petals of all colors blown into the sky, in harmony with her melody for all those to see, and more likely, the albatross. Finally, they meet again. And surrounded by feast of colors, the hummingbird flaps her wings nimbly. Then their wings grazed each other in a serene encounter. Smiles spread across the albatross's face, then in silent joy, he asked, "Would you join an odyssey with me to see the vast endless seas?" In a split second, the hummingbird hums a long hum. But on the next one, she nodded in certainty. Off they went. And that is the tale of the two birds. Brave as crashing waves they are, yet graceful as the blooming blossoms of spring they be. And the flow of time continues, being a never-ending mystery, letting us, the delicate and fragile beings, to firmly believe the love from Him, the greatest, great.